Hello and welcome to my very first video in our new kitchen. This is about how to make a wrap, a vegan wrap, which is really good, easy to make, plus super easy to eat. You could eat it in the car, you could eat it at work. I finally get a lunch break at my work, so this really helps. I finished my wrap too quick eating it. I need to slow down. So let's get started. All my ingredients, I have them out here behind me. So I will show you and I will tell you what I'm doing as I do it. Hopefully this will go quick. So I get a tin foil out, which I reuse all the time. Mission tortilla wrap is my base layer. I use Randy makes me hummus, which is amazing. Maybe one time I'll get him to tell me how to give us the recipe and how to do it. This is unscripted, and this is just if I was going to get ready for work, this is what I would be doing. I love the taste. His hummus is spicy, which I love. All right. Now I'll put that right here because I'm going to use it again. Next up, I set my, I use romaine this time just because it's what they had. And I always set it up so I'm going to be folding it in. So I squish it down to get those crunchies, because I like the crunchies, but it does make it difficult when you need to fold. All right. Next up, a little quinoa I made yesterday. Yummy quinoa. Quinoa is so simple to cook. And right now we got a giant bag from Costco, super economical. So not only do we get it, guess the dogs get it too. It's my second favorite vegetable, kale, and it's not just because it's so good for me. I just love how crunchy it is, personally. I did not put any lemon on it, so it's pretty raw. Carrots. Build, build, build. So this is basically like a salad within a wrap, right? You know what? These things are gonna make trouble. That little thing on the end. I just bent over the end, this, and personally, I don't mind eating it while I'm cooking. Really important for me, I love Frank's original red hot sauce. I put it on the sides, jazz it around. It's really hot, so when it mixes with those vegetables, perfect. Next up, I rinsed these already. Little red tomatoes like this. I like this kind better, mostly because it's small, so when I take a bite, it's not tough to like eat. If you shop at a Kroger store, most all of the Kroger stores are like private selection and all that jazz. I've learned are really, really just as delicious as name brand. Always good to test your food, right? I love olives because olives give a little meaty taste. I guess a hearty taste in my tongue. I like. It's hard to cut in this little space, but my kitchen is teeny tiny, so anybody that has any size kitchen should be able to do this. I don't remember how many I did, but usually I have them about 3 or 4 a day. Unfortunately, there is a lot of sodium, and taking out that little tip thing. I'm only going to use 1/4 of this avocado because that's a lot of food. Look at that. Beautiful. You never know, right? I do that so that it comes out a lot easier. Spread it along the top. this now. I have to wait till dinner time. That's my dinner today. And I think that's it. Got all my ingredients. I already got my lettuce. All right. Next is folding it up. So I do it like a burrito. Sometimes I put beans in here. Oh, that's what I missed. I wanted to put some beans in, but it's too late. I gotta eat. I gotta get this rolling forward. So these pieces really do cause trouble. Probably should have taken them off. Okay. Bend it in to the side. And then the other side. Maybe I should do this side first, because this side's got mostly lettuce and this has got little stuff. Oh gosh, sticking out. All right, put like a diaper, you know. If you had a kid, you know how to do diapers. All right. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know how much time that was. I'll look later. I have myself a giant salad inside of a wrap. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious. And that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you very much to Bogey, who inspired me to stop and make a video of something in my kitchen that I do every day. And hopefully it'll help you. Have a good day.